Hello, I'm Elizabeth, and this is a promo for CityHawk Talk Live. We've got Aiden in the studio to talk about it. Aiden.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hi.
Sorry. What's up?
So, tell me about CityHawk Talk Live.
Well, you know about it. They're all in the class together.
I'm just testing your memory skills. Who cares? Tell me about it.
Well, it's a live stream event on March 29th, and it's from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m.
Okay, so why should I care?
Because we want A's. All we want are A's.
No, not like me, the universal me, the student bodies, the friends and family. We're going to guilt trip into watching these segments to get us those A's. Why should they care? Why should they come back?
We got some really exciting things planned, like, is this the sheet? This is the sheet. Brian Dickson from Ourglass is coming in to talk about Ourglass.
What's Hourglass?
From what I hear, it's our magazine.
Excellent. Just another forum students can be informed about the things going on campus.
Yeah, and then we got the cast of 12 Ophelias coming in, which is really baffling because I thought there was only one Ophelia.
Right, that was the Hamlet that I read.
Yeah, and we also got a cooking segment featuring items from our food pantry.
That's pretty exciting because, I don't like it when I have to decide between going out and having fun or eating decent meals instead of ramen.
Agreed.
So, anything else?
You were there when we made the document. Like, you know what it is. We got an improv section, maybe. We got a what to watch and to stream segment. And we got a what's new on campus, possibly.
Awesome. And then I hear we've got these like cool little cameras, except for the ones in studio that are being used, frequently.
Yeah, we could film on the streets, we could film on the sidewalks, we could film wherever, and people can watch it from wherever.
Cool. And then we can really get out there and get some student perspectives on this.
Make a good live stream.
Excellent. All right. And then where can we see it?
The live stream will be on Facebook, Zoom, and YouTube.
And YouTube? Okay. Well, that's at least from this decade. Didn't we make some other stuff today or thinking about it? Or I can't remember.
Yeah, we made an Instagram and a possible TikTok.
Oh, excellent. I bet people are really going to love that. And so you said they could come by to our studio? Like it's big enough for that?
Yep, we can hold a live studio audience.
Okay, I think of like 2, but we'll figure out how to do more of that as time goes on. So you heard it here first, folks. Tune in March 29th from 2 to 3 p.m. for our first episode of CityHawk Talk Live. And cut.
Folks? Did you say folks?
Yeah, we're recording.
We're recording?
Yeah, we've been recording this whole time.
And you didn't tell me?
Didn't you get the email?
Do they know about it?
I mean, I should hope so. I think they got the email. That's why they're here.
Oh my goodness! Well, looky here, sir. You're doing great behind that camera. Why don't you give a wave? And I didn't forget about you. You're doing great behind that camera, too. Give a wave. Why did you not tell me this was recorded?
So, students, be sure to check your school email to keep up on things. Don't be like Aiden. Now, have a good rest of your day, and we hope you'll see us soon.